Have you ever noticed that Tom Hiddleston's fans obsess over him? Why is that? We're breaking it down right now. What is up, heroes? Welcome to Athletic Assault, where we combine superheroes and fitness to help you attack your dreams. In this video, we are talking all about why Tom Hiddleston's fans obsess over him. So let's get right into it. First things first is he is an attractive guy. The ladies love Tom Hiddleston. Ladies are obsessed with Loki, are obsessed with Tom Hiddleston, and so that helps a lot. Second thing is he's British. That helps him a lot too because everybody loves a good accent. Third thing is he does impersonations and they are hysterical. If you've never seen an interview with him doing an impersonation, you need to go check it out right now.
The esteemed gentleman at the end of the sofa. What if you do got me boxed in? I'm not gonna put you down. We've been face to face. Yeah. But I will not hesitate. Not for a second. That's my...
But the fourth thing is something that I think is more controllable for all of us. You know, the first three things, like, I'm not British. You know, not everybody is as attractive as Tom Hiddleston. Not everybody can do impersonations as well as he can. Not everybody's as funny as he is. So I wanted to give you one good reason why everyone obsesses over Tom Hiddleston that you can start implementing into your life to make yourself more likable, to encourage more people, and to impact more people. And it's this: he gives more than he takes. I mean that he is constantly giving back to his fans and his audience. You know, and this is a big mistake that I think a lot of actors make, is they genuinely don't give back to their fans. You know, they say, you know, we so appreciate you, we're so thankful for you, but they don't give back to them. Tom Hiddleston is down to do a 50-minute Q&A session where he literally sits and does question and answer with Elizabeth Olsen and just be there with the fans and take their questions. Tom Hiddleston wants to dress up as Loki and come to Comic-Con. Obviously, he was told to do that, but still, he was willing to get into full costume, full character, and come into a hall of thousands of people, thousands of fans, and play that character live in front of them. He also is just so genuinely grateful for their attention. And that goes a long way. When you're grateful for somebody's attention and you show how much you appreciate them, people like you. When you're grateful for them listening to you and different things like that, like, they like you more. And in his case, when you're grateful for the people that are paying money to come watch your movies and watch you perform, like, that goes a long way for people. And you start giving back and just showing your appreciation. And I think it just builds an audience that is so obsessed with you. I think that plays into Tom Hiddleston being so loved by fans. You know, I mean, honestly, there are a lot of times that I feel like Loki is more loved than a lot of the superheroes, like Thor or Captain America. I think Loki can be, at times, more famous than some of these other superheroes. And I think it has a lot to do with what Tom Hiddleston does off camera with his fans, interacting with them, giving back to them. Because other actors just don't do it as much or as well as Tom Hiddleston. I think we can learn a lot by engaging our audiences. You know, if you're trying to build a brand, if you're trying to build a business, if you're trying to be a movie star or a singer, like, even if you only have 2 viewers, you have to give back to them and give more value to them than you're taking from them. You know, they are giving you their attention, so you need to provide over and above what they're asking for in value. And that will just help you build an audience and build a foundation and honestly build a community. His fan base is a community. Like, when somebody says that they are a part of the Tom Hiddleston, and I can't remember what they call themselves. If you remember what they call themselves, leave it in the comment section below. If you remember what Tom Hiddleston's fans call themselves. But if you're a fan of Tom Hiddleston, you can connect with other fans of Tom Hiddleston. And so he has created a community around his personal brand. And it's really just cool to watch. And I think we can learn a ton from Tom Hiddleston in just providing more value than they're asking for. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and Tom Hiddleston is so fun to talk about because he really truly does genuinely appreciate all of our attention. So, I'm so grateful to talk about him. I hope this video helps you in building an audience, being a kinder friend, being a more encouraging friend. I hope this video helps you do that. If you remember what Tom Hiddleston's fans call themselves, leave it in the comment section below. And heroes, that is it for this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later, heroes.